Hey, back for another video. Welcome. Hope you are ready. I am ready. I got my note, and today I'm going to show you guys 6 bags from the French bag brand Lancaster. I have already talked about Lancaster in this video when I was showing you the best French bag brand you have to know before coming to France. And I have to say that this spring-summer collection, Lancaster has done really beautiful bags. Of course, I cannot show you everything. The video will be too long, but I invite you to go and see their website. I have just selected 6 of them that really caught my attention because I do think that the price and the quality are really good matching. So let's go. Before, let me introduce myself. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I am mainly talking about bags. I love this. I love them so much. And my video I've done in English and French, my mother language. So if you love this kind of content, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewer, subby, thanks a lot for your support. Love you guys. Let's go directly to the point. So I place myself like this and I could insert a pic. Here is the very first bag I fell in love. Of course, I fell in love due to the color this amazing turquoise is presenting in the Lancaster collection on various bags, but on this one I find it super cute. It's kind of a messenger satchel bag style. The dimensions are more than correct. I will write them. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just perfect for everyday. This bag comes in grain quiet leather, so very resistant. I can tell because I own myself bags from Lancaster. So let me show you my latest one. This bag is still produced. It comes from the Dune collection. This is a backpack and you can wear it on multiple ways. And guys, I use it a bunch and it's still in nice condition. Just to tell you, their bags are really good. So back to this one. I just love the general aspect. The bag got snap button opening. Inside the bag you have a zipped flap pocket and 2 other flap pockets on the other side, and behind you've got a zip pocket too, which is really practical if you want to just put your phone or your keys. Really nice. The strap is adjustable, not removable, but it's quite normal due to the style of the bag, and this bag comes in various colors. The price for this bag, which belongs to the Firenze line, is 159 euro. Yes guys, 159 euro for an all leather bag. I think it's good. Seriously, I think it's good with this type of characteristic. The second bag is nearly the same. Look at it. It comes from the line Top Double, and this bag also came in various colors. The main difference is the opening. Here you've got a turn lock, but the general aspect is also very chic. It's also a coin grain leather, very resistant. Inside the bag you have a zip pocket. Look at it. Behind you have nothing. This one is a bit more expensive. It retails at 199 euro, but there's an explanation. This one is fully made in France, because if you have a look at the Lancaster website, they always indicate the origin of the bag. It's a French bag brand, but like most brands, they are producing everywhere. And this one comes in France, and I do think this is the reason why this one is a bit more expensive. The third bag is, I think I love it. I love it for various reasons. The very first one is just the style. Look at it. It's great. I love the style. You know, Luna bags are a vibe, and this one comes with 2 straps. You've got one strap in chain with leather, which is not adjustable but removable, and you've got a full leather strap which is adjustable and removable. So you've got multiple way of having your bag on your shoulder, on your body, crossbody or not. It's just great. I do love the way it is stitched. And this bag, I forgot to mention, comes from the soft matelassé line, which clearly means quilted soft. It's a full cowhide leather, a very soft one. You've got a zip opening, and inside you've got a zipped flap pocket and one flap pocket. I love the style. I think it is really elegant, and the price is completely crazy, €189. For this type of bag with two straps, it's really a nice point. Then let's change the style. Here is a full nylon bag, because yes, Lancaster proposed bag in nylon, bag in leather, bag in many other materials. And let's have a look at this one. This one comes from the line Basic Chouchou. It exists for several collections now, but look at it. It's another form and I really like it. It is available in various colors. The price is just insane. Is retail for €79. I think it's perfect for just a party or when you go to the beach or on the pool. It's the bag you don't have to take care of, because yes, in nylon you can clean it and so on, and it's quite resistant. This one got a top handle and also a removable and adjustable strap. Very nice, because it is written Lancaster on it. Side you've got a zip pocket and a flap pocket. I love it. It's kind of funny, but it's also very fashionable. So this one was also in my selection. Then the two last bags are made with rattan cane, and this is quite new for this spring-summer collection by Lancaster. The very first one is a tote bag, and I love the dimension. It's not too gigantic, but quite big enough for every day. I love the style. Really a nice mix of rattan cane and leather. You can open and close it with a zip, so your items are secured, and inside you've got a zipped flap pocket and two flap pockets. I love the general aspect. It's a vibe, and concerning the price, it's €229. Yes, it's a bit more expensive than the others because it's a bigger bag, and I do think that the construction itself require more steps, so that's why it's more expensive. But seriously guys, when you compare to Longchamp, Coach, and even Marc Jacob, which are also presenting tote bag in raffia or rattan and so on, this one is one of the cheapest. And the very last one is a tiny bucket bag, also a mix of rattan cane and leather. It's just gorgeous. It comes with a pouch with drawstrings, so nobody can see what you have inside your bag and nothing comes out. So it is really secured. I love it. I think it's so cute. It's a cute bag. Of course, it's a little bag, but I do think due to the dimension, you can just place your essential. And I love the style. Just one thing, and this is the unique bad point of this bag. The top handle is not removable, and also the longer strap, which is not removable. But that's just my point of view. But for this price, €139, I do think it's okay. Even with this little negative point, I do think the price and the general aspect of this bag are really okay. So guys, this was my little selection. I do repeat, Lancaster is a nice brand, less famous than Longchamp, but quite popular in France. And I do own myself some Lancaster bag, and I have to say I am quite satisfied. So guys, make your own point of view concerning this brand. Have a look at their website, or if you come to France, try their item, but I am pretty sure you will be not disappointed. If you have any question, please let me a comment, or any other question, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe if you love my content. We see us in the next video, and till then, take care. Bye bye guys.